Welcome back to the day 20 of the 100 days of hell with Python algo trading. We have covered 20 days. That is 20% of our goal. And that is really a big achievement. And if you are also able to cover all the topics which we have understood in the previous 19 sessions, then you are good to go. But if you are having any issue, any doubt in previous sessions, please go through that again. Learn those topics and understand those again. Because those are the basics and fundamentals and you have to be proficient in all those topics. I have seen so many videos. In those videos, they say that you just need to cover Python quickly in just 2-3 days and you are good to go. But no, do not make that mistake because I have gone through that process and I know the importance of the fundamentals, the basics. So even if you need to take few more days, like maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, please understand all those topics again. And I'm sure that if you have covered all the lectures, all the multiple choice questions, and all the tasks along with the mini project, then I'm sure that you will be having no issue, right? But if you're having, please let me know in the comments what issue you are having. We can discuss that again in any supplementary video, right? The first thing. The second thing is that now we'll be starting with the Python library. And in the few days, maybe 7 days, we'll be covering that also. It includes NumPy, Pandas, and data visualization libraries like Seaborn and Matplotlib. After that, the real thing starts. That is the algo trading, the core algo trading. So I have two options for that. One option is to quickly cover few things and I'll show you how to make a trading bot, then how to implement strategies, and it will be very basic and anyone will be able to understand that. The second option is to go through a absolutely complex, tough route, but the destination is absolutely beautiful. It is so pristine that you will be amazed to see that how we can achieve so many great things in just 100 days. Like we have both the options. I'm scared that if I go through that hard path, the complex path, many of you might leave this challenge midway. It is tough for sure. But I promise you that if we take that complex, the tough route, we will be able to go through that. I will be giving 1000% effort of me to make you understand that. But if you are ready, then only we can go with that. So you have to let me know that which path you want to take, the easier one or the tougher one. The choice is in your hands. So just let me know in the comments that what should we do after the Python libraries, because which includes core algo trading, or you can say quantitative trading, which includes backtesting, automated execution, how to source strategy ideas, and some concepts on financial data storage and mathematical modeling, statistics, time series analysis, forecasting, performance and risk management, trading strategy implementation, strategy optimization. I know this is getting tough and tough. Advanced algo trading, which includes Bayesian statistics, Markov chain Monte Carlo concepts, Bayesian linear regression, advanced time series analysis, random walk and white noise models, autoregressive moving average models, co-integrated time series, state space models and Kalman filter, hidden Markov models, statistical machine learning, which includes supervised, unsupervised learning, and SVM and all those topics of machine learning, NLP, natural language processing, and few quantitative trading techniques. So I know the list is long and tough and complex, and I also know that many of the topics you have never heard of. But I promise you, if you learn all these things, and I will make sure that you learn, if you stay consistent and you just follow what I'm trying to make you understand, it is not that difficult. It just needs your consistent effort and your time with discipline. That's it. If you are able to follow with me for the next 80 days, I can promise you that you will be able to crack any interview of any quant firm. Doesn't matter in which country, USA, Singapore, London, anywhere. I'll make sure that. But you have to promise that you will be disciplined, you will be consistent, and you will have to put some extra efforts. Okay, that's it. And if you are ready, then let me know in the comments. I'll post the syllabus for the next 80 days. Then we can start with the tougher path.